Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am working as a PhD scholar and a lecturer, and I extend a warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. Today I am embarking on a new topic in our educational journey which revolves around the educational research. In this video I will focus specifically on the introductory aspect of educational research. Research purifies human life. It improves its quality. It is search for knowledge. I will give you an example of how research can purify human life and improve its quality through research. For example, you want to improve the literacy rate of your country. You will carefully inquire through research. You will move from known to unknown. For example, you will identify the specific factors contributing to the high illiteracy rate, such as limited access to quality education, ineffective teaching methods, or socio-economic barriers. You can simply say that you will perform a comprehensive review of existing research on literacy rates. Then you will do a systematic effort to gain new knowledge. Simply, you can collect data from various sources such as surveys, interviews, classroom observation, and assessment to evaluate the reason of the illiteracy to gain new knowledge. Through this data, you can identify and address the root causes of high illiteracy rates. You can empower individuals with literacy skills. You can contribute to the overall development and well-being of the society by reducing illiteracy. So we can say that research serves as a systematic and careful inquiry to understand the factors contributing to the problem of high illiteracy rates. To conclude, we can say that it shows how to solve any problem scientifically. It is a careful inquiry for any kind of knowledge. It is a journey from known to unknown. It is a systematic effort to gain new knowledge in any kind of discipline. Finally, when it seeks a solution of any educational problem, it leads to educational research. In the previous slide, I said research solves the problem scientifically, but the question is how. Curiosity, inquisitiveness, or the natural gifts secured by a man. They inspire him to quest, increase his thirst for knowledge or truth. After trial and error, he worked systematically in the direction of the desired goal. His adjustment and coping with situation makes him successful in his task. Thereby he learns something, becomes wise, and prepares his own scientific procedure while performing the same task for second time. Here is an example that will tell you the process of curiosity, learning through trial and error, and the development of a scientific procedure. A person is curious about how different factors affect the growth of the plants. He wants to understand which variables, such as light, water, or soil composition, have the most significant impact on the plant growth. You can simply say that this person can conduct a series of experiments to test the different variables. A person's curiosity about plant growth leads them to conduct experiments to understand the impact of variables like light, water, and soil on the plant. He can observe the different factors that can influence the plant growth. He can select one variable, light, and keep all other factors constant. During the experiment, he can face challenges and can adjust his approach accordingly. For example, he may realize that the plants need additional nutrients and can modify the soil composition accordingly. He works systematically. You can simply say that he develops a scientific procedure. He outlines the steps, he outlines the variables, and he explains the method of data collection. Armed with this procedure, he can replicate the experiment, explore further research questions, and contribute to scientific knowledge in plant growth. Now, the next question is there any relationship among science education and educational research? The answer is yes. There is a strong relationship among science education and educational research. Together, they form a symbiotic relationship that contributes to the advancement and improvement of education. Science provides the knowledge base for education, while education applies scientific principles in its instructional methods and practices. While educational research utilizes scientific methodologies to generate evidence and improve educational outcomes. So, we can say that they form a symbiotic relationship. Simply, we can say that research is the voyage of discovery, it is the quest for answers to unsolved problems. Now, the question is why research is required. Research is required in any field to come up with new theories or modify, accept, or nullify the existing theories. From time immemorial, it has been seen so many discoveries and inventions took place through research, and world has got so many new theories which help the human being to solve his problems. You can take the example of different researchers like Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, John Davis, Skinner, Piaget. Researchers like that have given us theories which may cause educational progress. This was the very short introduction of the educational research. In the next video, I will discuss the sources of knowledge in educational research. Like my videos and subscribe my channel.